Kodwa bantu bomgquba igama lami ndingusilindile wakwalufela uMampinga umbhalo kaqosha into umntwana ngabe noba yifuna bantwana ifuna abadala kuthiwa Sibumbu umitha kanjani ubhokoxekile phumani bantwana nifuna udlala nonyoka yayibona lanto leyana ubaba sekathuma abantwana ama-sweet eshopping ngoba ufuna udlalisa umama kancane yabona le nto leyana dimkelo bethuna intombi yomXhosa ke bethuna dihamba ke nobhuti owakwamgazi uNtshangasi uNduduzo abaningi ke bamazi ngokuthi uThibo but not uThibo lo nimaziyo uTBOE every time I miss that it's TBOE kodwa ke na uzozazisa kancane before singene esithebeni sidlinyama yeah
sure bafethu Thibo lo umbala somntuba lo ingane kaManquma all the way from KZN but right now we here in the city of gold umchita nje oyishala amapiano oyishala music omnandi so stay tuned kusazoba mnandi
Nizwile amapiano umculo omnandi kune question engifuna ukukubuza yona because angifuni ukuyikhohla njengalo muntu ona 25 days guys this guy uze eGoli engazi umuntu eze ngendaba zomsebenzi washiya konke una 25 days eseJoburg ubani umuntu ofisa ngathi ungasebenza naye in the near future
yo there's a lot of people from the space sama piano nje ama legend akhona yo Kabza yo Maporisa na nje yonke igenge ekwicamp yabo like youngstana kanjalo but there's a lot even beside we genre ama piano the likes of Abo Java the likes of Abo Questa the likes of Abo Casper so there's a lot with this and ngizosebenza now those
Nizwile we have to manifest and then mawuzazi vele uyazazi mawuzazi uyazi umsebenzi wakho you always learn where you fit in umuntu right so ngiyazi ukuthi uyi songwriter uya producer ushaya konke all in one
jack of all trades
but bathini kanje but now you're not
jack of all trades is a master of none
that's you which I believe that you are mastering
phela ngithi vele that's why kubalekile ukuthi ube ne team so right now I'm working with Reason Nation which is my team which is helping me through management so angisazenzeli konke as I used to so lokho kuyangisiza nami ukuthi focus more craft so that I can be the master of the craft
utetele wabanye ezinye izinto abazimastera I like that ubani uNduduzo tell me where were you born who are you if a person right now akuthi uyakudescribe nje in short words who is Nduduzo who's Thibo
uThabiso Nduduzo Ntshangase owazalwa ngoNovember 30 ngo1990 something
akasilona 2000
ezalwa ubaba uMgazi emzala noManqumalo lohleze ngimushe ngithi
uthi Manqumalo
lo Manqumalo bazalela endaweni yaseMenmod kwasakabiyela obuka and then ke umndeni wami uva to eMtubaduba la ke engithi ngisuka khona because ngikhule khona and then ke started doing music there from the age of 9 until today.
Tell me about it because ngengizomunye umuntu athi I knew that I've got this talent when I was 4 years old and when I was 9. Tell me about it but ukuthi kwenzakalani ukuze uyazi ba this is it this is what I am good at.
Vele into uqala sakudlala ucabanga ukuthi uyadlala but ke lokho ikhona ngaphakathi ikhula so for me how we started it was like my older brother and my neighbor my brother was Mnqobi and my neighbor is Njabulo so they were doing music lapha ekhaya Njabulo so there's this khona iCD kaMandoza Nkalakatha so maybe this was back like in 2005 I don't know around those times so lo CD khona track 7 or track 11 or track 6 I'm not sure but it's an instrumental so lo instrumental we used to ngayo yodwa senza like plenty of songs khona le radio cassette we used to put a cassette and then go hi-fi dlala CD and then we gonna rap we le radio le and then record and have plenty of song on one beat then some so idlala kamakhelwane when sound enkulu some idlala khona sizwe ukuthi
And then that's where you saw feedback from the community ukuthi lento yakho iyiyo. From that time, maybe your lines. So that time bushai kwaito nyani,
that time really you want quite dominate and being influenced by abantu abafana nabo Zola, abo Mzegeze, abo Bricks, yabo inyo Brown Dash, abo abantu were killing it at that time. So yonke lo influence leyo. And saskopela akubona so lokuthi uthathe like 4 or 5 lines wakhe. But we tshela ukuthi but the feedback kakhulu like many like esikoleni uma competitions because I used to take part there, perform, but ngihlapha ngiperform ingoma zabantu yabo lapho Msawawa. And this time khona se primary nje kwasekudumu Elvovo. Sibonga ngasekhaya nje mntu. Bazo Elvovo because I used to perform Elvovo songs esikoleni about my competitions yabo. Yeah, so then ngabona lapho ukuthi this is a thing for me.
And then what is that one thing that defines you as Umjitha wasekazi? You know, I think as a boy child, it's not easy as us women that we are allowed to be fragile. We're allowed to go home and say, this is what I'm going through. But for Nina, they have this thing, you know? Yeah. How did you overcome all these bullies and all other things as ekasi, including heavy substance abuse, substances? How did you overcome until you got where you are now? And be proud to say, I overcame 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Kolangashu is not easy, and for me, to overcome those things, I'm very fortunate. All thanks to God, all thanks to the family or abantu abakhona around abantu kusibuyisa endleleni because mina la ngikhule khona ikhomisa ngikhule kuyona ingane kuba ingane yomphakathi. So even if ubheda le umakhelwane ukushaya le yabo uhamba akwazi ukuyomcela
ngoba uzothaya umuntu omdala yavela hlanya kushaye nje.
So yonke lezi zinto lezo izona ngingasho ukuthi ke zingishapeile and being involved music ukuthi I have this dream. That's why kubalekile for the people abancane ukuthi uphuphe uyibone uyi something. So I used to see myself as a superstar ngihleli kanje phambi kwama camera amakhulu.
Yes, superstar.
So so yonke lento le kept me grounded ukuthi okay I have to, because you know if you do izinto kanje uyazi imphumela yakhona. So nje through family, through God, through the community I'll say
let's talk about family. For me, I believe ukuthi njengoba usho ukuthi kuthiwa a child is raised by the community.
Yeah.
Ngike ngezwa enye line ngelinye ilanga. Kuthiwe a child will literally bend the community when there's no one who gives them attention.
In bed.
So now angibekela structure yasekhaya because that's where everything starts. The charity begins at home. Ninga, tell me about your sibling, tell me about your mom and dad and all that.
So I come from a family of there's my dad, there's my mom, and then C5 my siblings I'm C5 and then I'm the third one. Kona the first one, then there's me, Kona Stabile, Kona Umpowe.
So you the third one, Pagat Nindaw? Futumele.
I wish so. I wish it's good job. So if family ami labo school nje sonke mtuwa kukhona no gogo those days. But unfortunately ugogo asekho and then my mom na asekho. But we do have a mom, ubaba wasiletha futhi umunye uma ukhona njalo empilweni zethu. So it's like that. And then ngisekhona nabazukulu from la siblings zodwa ngwabala, including myself nami I have a couple
of
enemies.
Too. Yeah. How it's like to be ubaba, and you know, as someone who you know, there are certain things that happen in our lives and we wish that that specific person could be there. And then sometimes you imagine when you're looking at your kids, be like, how I wish my mom could just How has it been for wena, the journey of not having your mother? I hear that you're saying that ukhona umama.
Yeah.
And sihlala sibuka ama TV, ama toxic stepmom and all that. And you proudly speaks about your stepmother.
Yeah.
How, like, ukushintsha nje, you know, transitioning from having your mom to the stepmom and now unabantwana.
Yeah.
Tell me about it, like that first thing when you think about it in those transitions.
Nje zoqanga le abantwana, unfortunately enough ukuthi as ngikhuluma abantwana bahlala naye stepmom nobaba. So bakhula kahle, they fresh, they nice, they nje.
So your stepmother took your kids?
Yeah.
You are blessed, you know that.
And my younger sister now nengane so uhlala ekhaya nje kuphuzela abazukulu nje.
You are blessed, guys.
So yeah, ngalokho nje, shout out to her. So yeah, in transition because ngangisemncane but ngingekho mncane kakhulu. Ngeke ngisho ukuthi wakulula, and ke into mhlawumbe engangisiza is the type of person nje enguyena because umuntu okhululekile. So ngiyashesha futhi nokuaccept izinto. So